Hi there, this is DJ Justify from South Africa. My real name is Justin and I'm an aspiring DJ. I've started DJing, really getting into it about a month, 2 months ago. I've always been interested in DJing, but I never really got around to the technical stuff, using CDJs, turntables and mixers. So now I'm doing a course in turntablism, and I'm teaching myself to use my CDJ, my mixers, and with a lot of help from the videos from Alaskans and Brian Esred, I think I may be getting done with it. So cool stuff. I have a lot of technical background regarding computers, PCs, laptops, etc. So my own setup makes use of Virtual DJ on PC. And I use my Numok ICDX as a controller. So I'm going to be making videos showing you how to do that, how to use a PC, how to use laptops for this purpose. Maybe getting a little bit technical, but yeah, I think there's not really a lot of DJ guys who really are interested in this, and maybe we can get something going here. Maybe we can get guys interested and see that it's not really that bad. So yeah, my personal opinion is that MP3s and digital is the way of the future. I have worked with vinyl. I really love the feel of vinyl. I'm not going into a discussion which is better according to me. If you're in the music for this, basically if you're into the music, the platform doesn't matter. So yeah, that's the way I see it. So hopefully we can get something going, and yeah, leave your comments down here and we can start getting somewhere. So thanks a lot. First video over and out.